It's me,
Bri reads! Hi friends, it's me, Bri. Today, let's make a paper doll craft like this. Today's craft is inspired by this book, I Am Brown.
It celebrates where you're from, what you look like, the things you like to do, what you eat, what you wear, everything you are.
You can read with me in another video. Today, let's create.
For this project, you'll need the outline of a person. I made one that you can use.
You can download and print from my website. Use the link in the description box. If you don't have a printer, it's okay. You can draw your own too.
Our person will need clothes. Just like the person, you can print these clothes from my website. You'll need something to make hair. You can use different kinds of string, or felt, or paper. I'm using yarn. Last, you'll need something to color with. Scissors and glue.
Let's start by cutting out your person and choosing some clothes.
You can choose a baseball cap, a t-shirt, a beret, a beanie, a sun hat, a sleeveless shirt, a long sleeve shirt, a sweater, shorts, a long skirt, pants, a short skirt, a dress, or overalls. I'm going to wear this shirt, some overalls, and my favorite hat.
If you need help cutting, ask a grown-up.
Choose whatever makes you feel your best. If you don't see something you like, remember, you can always create your own.
Now let's color our person. I'm using this pack of skin tone crayons. There are only 8 shades and there's about infinity skin colors, so I'll have to mix to get a match.
That's not it. That's not it either. Most of us are something in between. I'm mixing these 2 colors. You can use any kind of crayon, colored pencil, markers, or paint. Whatever colors you have that will work.
It's time to color and design your outfit.
Maybe you're dressing for a special occasion like a party. Maybe you're dressing for an activity like playing sports. Or maybe, like me, you're wearing something that makes you feel good.
Let's use our glue and get dressed. Before I put on my hat, I need some hair.
I used paper to draw the shape of my hair around my head. Then glued some yarn on top. What does your hair look like? Straight? Curly? Long? Short? The last touch? My hat!
All dressed. Something's missing. My face.
You can use googly eyes like this, or draw your own. A nose and a mouth. I'm smiling.
I'm not wearing shoes or socks, but you can add some.
You did it!
My paper doll looks like me, but I want to see you. You can find me on Instagram and use the hashtag #BriDraws to show me. Please subscribe to my channel for more books and more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.